Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 33 of our JavaScript playlist. Okay, here we are learning JavaScript function 0 to advanced. Okay, in this video we are going to learn about higher order function. So what's the meaning of higher order function? A higher order function is a function that takes another function as an argument or return a function as a result. Okay, so in JavaScript we can generally store a function inside a variable. We can pass a function as an argument. We can return a function like okay, so these are the things we can do in JavaScript. So let's understand what's the higher order function through the example. So as you already know, I have two files. One is index.html, second is app.js. In index.html file, I have linked this app.js file, right? So what we have to do, I will write something console.log, and I'll check the output whether it's working or not. Okay. So in order to check the output, you have to start your live server. Okay. And after that, you have to press Ctrl Shift J in order to see this console. Okay. You will see the output in console window. So my output is coming, means our JavaScript file is working. Okay. So let's understand what's the meaning of higher order function. Okay. So suppose I'm creating a function. Okay. My function name is calculator. Okay. My function name is what? Calculator. I'm creating another function, and my function name is sum. Can I create like this? Yes. Okay. Can I call the calculator function? Calculator. Can I call calculator function? Yes, I can call the calculator function. Okay, fine. Okay. Fn. Can I pass a function inside the calculator function? Yes, because calculator function is receiving one function. Can I pass? Yes, I can pass. So what's the function I want to pass? I want to pass some function. Okay. What I'm doing, I'm passing function as an argument. So I don't need to write this parenthesis. Okay, I'm passing as an argument, so I just write the function name. Okay, so means our calculator function is receiving one function. What is the function name? Sum. Okay. Okay, suppose some function required two numbers. Some function. Okay, fine. Okay. Let's see. How can I call this some function? Because we are passing some function as an argument to fn. So through fn, can I call this some function? Yes. Through fn, calling some function through fn function. Right? Correct or not? Okay, fine. Right. Okay. So let's check whether it's working or not. Initially, there is no output because there is no console statement. So can I write something like this for testing purpose? Some function called something like this. Yes, some function called. That's why this output is coming. Suppose if I remove this statement, then nothing is coming. So means this statement is required to call. Okay. So means our sum function is calling. And who is calling? Through the calculator function. Our sum function is calling. Okay. I hope there is no confusion till now. Let me remove this. Okay. Suppose my sum function require two arguments. Okay. It is asking two numbers, num1 and num2. Okay. So where I will pass? Here I will pass num1 and num2, 10 and 20. No, this is wrong way. We cannot pass here because we are not calling here. When we call the function, when we call the sum function, at the time of calling, we will pass the argument. So where we are calling some function, see, calling some function through fn function. So inside the fn function, we will pass the argument, and that argument will collect by the num1 and num2. Okay, fine. Let me add 20 and 40. Okay. So we are, some function is requiring two parameters, and we are passing two parameters. Correct. Fine. So some function should add these two values. Okay, two values means 20 and 40. So how it will add? So it will add like num1 plus num2. Correct. Okay, and we will store this value inside another variable called result. Okay, fine. Okay, can I print console.log? Can I print console.log like addition? Okay, I'm using backtick. Okay, using backtick, I'm printing addition is okay, addition like this. Okay, so if you want to print variable data, you will use dollar symbol and this curly braces, right? Okay, and this is the way of ES6. ES6. Okay, this is a part of new JavaScript. We are using backtick. We are not using single quote, right? Remember this. So what it's printing? Addition is 60. Okay, but suppose I don't want to print here. I don't want to print here. So what you will do? I want to return this function. Okay, I want to return this function. Okay, I want to return this variable, result variable. Okay, right. So can you tell me where it will return? Can you tell me which line number it will return? This result will return at what line number? So it will return at line number 2, because from line number 2 it is calling. We are calling some function from line number 2 and it will return to the line number 2. Okay, all right, all right. So if it is returning result, can I store inside a variable called r? Yes, yes, I can store inside a r variable. Okay, fine. Can I print this? Can I print this? So our addition is inside the r variable, so I'm writing here r instead of result. Okay, okay, fine. Will it work? Yeah, addition is 60. Great. Okay, but I don't want to print here. I don't want to print here. I want to return from here as well. So can I print return r? So where this calculator function return r? From where it is calling? Can you please tell me from where, at what line number it will return? It will return r to line number 11. Why? Because line number 11, calculator is calling from line number 11. So it will return to the line number 11. Okay. So can I store this res variable? Can I store this result? Can I return this? Can I store this r result inside the res variable? Yes, because calculator is returning. See, calculator, there is a calculator and there it is returning r. Okay. So can I store like this? Yes. But we don't have r variable now. We have res variable. Right. Okay. Will it print? Yes, it is printing. Okay. So now you are understanding, like, a function. We can pass a function as an argument. We can return. Okay. From where we are calling the function, it will return. Okay. So for example, we are calling this some function here, line number 2. So it is returning here. Right. And we are calling calculator function line number 11. So it is returning to line number 11. Right. Okay, so this calculator function. This calculator function is known as HOF. HOF is nothing but higher order function. Okay, and this sum function is known as LOF. LOF means lower order function. Okay, this is what higher order function. Higher order function receive argument as a function. So higher order function is calculator, which is receiving one argument as a function. Right. I hope you are understanding whatever I'm saying. So this is the higher order function. Why? Because it is receiving argument as a function. And this is a lower order function because we are passing this function as an argument inside the calculator function. So this is the catch. Okay, let me tell you one simple example so that you can relate more. For example, I'm writing here function. Okay, and function name is like, suppose function name is t. Okay, and I'm creating another function, preparing. Okay, preparing is another function. Okay, so I want to make this function as higher order function, HOF. So what I will do, it should receive one function. Okay, can I say like pre? Can I write pre? Can I write pre parameter? Okay, pre as a parameter. Okay, so when I call this function t function, when I call this t function, it is requiring one argument. If you want to make it higher order function, you should pass a function inside this variable. So I have another function which is preparing. So can I pass preparing here? Preparing. Okay, so preparing. So this is because we are passing this function as an argument. So this is what lower order function, right? This is what lower order function. Okay, so what's the statement inside this? Long preparing t, right? Okay, so we are passing preparing function inside the t function and it is received by pre. So can I call this how can I call this preparing function? I can call this preparing function through pre function. So what I will write? I will write here pre. Okay, so like this you can call this function. So we are calling, okay, preparing function through pre function. Okay, we are calling preparing function through pre function, right? So hope you are getting this idea. Like if a function taking argument as a function, that is known as higher order function, and if we are passing a function as an argument, that is known as what, lower order function. And this is what calling higher order function by passing LOF. Okay, lower order function, right? So thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you understood the concept of lower order and higher order function. Okay, how we can pass the function. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can write in comment box. Okay, I'll try to reply your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video.